Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi Stephanie and welcome to your Workout Wednesday. Here we are in June and yet I'm still grounded in spinal waves that your body craves. This is going to be part 3. I am going to link to the very first one I did a couple weeks ago because it sort of adds on to that a bit. So let's get moving and grooving. Let's dive into those waves. Thank you, Tuffets. I'm gonna move you over here. So I have a little more space. So we're gonna start in a butterfly and we're gonna take the hands behind us like this on diagonals and we're gonna begin to roll down. So it's a series of roll downs with different hip positions. So begin to allow the hands to support us. Feel that roll into the shoulders and at the very end we flip the palms up, arch, wiggle, take a big yawn. And then exhale, flip the palms down and allow them to support you, the arms, the hands. Reach forward, inhale. Exhale, hands float first, round back. Inhale. Exhale. Think really even flow for a few more. Sensing and feeling each vertebra, the movement in your pelvis, and any other feels. And because it is a roll down, you might notice that your pelvis is shifting. If you need to adjust like I did, please do. And find that double breath. Exhale down. Inhale, reach. Exhale up. Inhale, reach. Let's do one more at this slower pace. And then we're gonna keep the same breath, keep the same movement, but pick up the pace. So kind of think double time, a bit faster. Here we go, just kind of get there. Get there, reach. Still nice and sequential, nice and soft through the body, through the breath. Thank you, arms. And once more. Oh, I took my mat with me that time. And that's sort of the flow. So now we're going to change the legs. We are going to bend the knees and we're going to bring our heels as close to our bum as we can. So there's a bit of it's almost like we want to, on the way up, give ourselves a little bit of an impetus to stand up. So my knees are opening a little bit, yours might as well. But then as we roll down, we're just gonna keep them parallel-ish. So here we go, again, same flow, different hips. Inhale, at the bottom, exhale, curl. And again, a little bit slower, find that reach. Exhale down. Inhale, yawn at the bottom. And exhale up. And reach. Maybe even through the legs. Exhale down. Inhale, yawn, find that arch. Hopefully it's very satisfying. Exhale. And reach one more in this slower pace. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Reach. Take a moment. Again, we are doing a roll back, roll down, so your pelvis might shift, and my mats are all over the place, so just shift as you need. And then again, we connect the dots with a little more of that impetus to stand up. Here we go. Exhale down, in. Exhale up, in. Exhale back, arch. Exhale up, reach. And exhale back, in. Exhale up, reach, once more, back, and up, reach. Lovely. I'm gonna be a bit on this diagonal because of the shape of my space. I need a little more space this way. Just kick your legs out in front of you. Same thing, we're gonna flex our feet on the way back, point our feet on the way up, a few slow, a few faster. Sorry, again, I'm facing you this way, but I will be able to see you on the way down. So here we go. Flex those feet with nice long legs. Roll back. Inhale. Roll up. And point the feet. Reach forward. Inhale. Exhale. In.
Exhale, keep those feet flexed. My feet wanted to point, and reach. Exhale. In. Nice arch. Ooh, exhale. And reach. And then again, one more at this slower pace. Round it back. Round it up. Thank you, arms, for your support. This is legit my favorite way of doing roll up. And here we go. So now a little bit faster, a little bit more connected. And round back. So take that time to find that satisfying yawn. And just kind of get into the flow a little bit. Let's do 2 more here. Last time. And then again, go ahead and just find your way up. Last position here, I'll see if my space allows. Just open to a wide V, kind of whatever wide is for you. Sorry if my foot is out of the frame there. I'm gonna come this way. And then same thing, we're gonna flex the feet on the way back, point the feet on the way up, and we do a few slow and a bunch fast. So here you go. Hopefully you're feeling, on the faster ones, especially the first ones, I got this rush of blood, of heat to my face. So hopefully you felt something like that too. Here we go. This one's I like this one. It's kind of fun. Round, it's sort of odd and fun. So round back. We're in this big X. Allow yourself 2X and yawn. And then round up. Point the feet, reach forward. Exhale. In. Maybe you notice that the pinky toes roll to the ground. Hello, beautiful plant. We have these lovely flowers today. And point the feet, reach. Inhale and exhale. Roll, find that X. Oh, it marks the spot. Point and reach. And let's do one more in this slower flow. And then again, take that moment, readjust as you need. Again, my space is all over the place. Maybe yours is a little more compact or greater so that you can be more compact. But here we go. Nonetheless, a few more, a little bit quicker. Flex those feet and round back. Find it. Meaning, find that arm connection that helps us find the core connection. Oh, I think I forgot to point my feet. Flex. Point. Let's do 2 more. And once more. That's a lot. So I hope it's a lot of goodness for you as well. I'm gonna fix my mat here. And then lovely, that's it. That's the spinal waves for today. So we're gonna finish though with your legs in that wide position. Feet can be kind of soft here. And we're just gonna make a nice big swooping circle, a few each direction. So go ahead and start forward and allow your body to curve. And then let your head and your arm reach. And then at the back, we're just gonna kind of hang out. Switch to the opposite side. And then back. Do it again. Head is heavy. Head leads around. Then the arm. Feel free to take a moment here and kind of look back. Maybe that hip releases. That's okay. And then send that arm up. Little rainbow there. Over. One more this direction. And again, heavy. But then light. Light and reachy. Oops, and let's go ahead and switch directions down. And again, it is okay. Let me take an extra moment here. If that opposite hip lifts, just notice. Make it with ease, easy. And around. Open. over one more time. Reach, reach. Find your way to center for a moment. And then roll it up. Shake it out. Shimmy the legs to a comfortably crossed-legged or just maybe a different position, a little more narrow. And just take a moment to kind of take in. It's when we do roll-ups or roll-backs like that with the arms, we get more integrated, yeah? The arm connection into the armpit, into the core, yeah? So I hope you enjoyed that flow. Again, pair it with the one from a few weeks ago that I linked. I might link again at the end. And I really hope you enjoy greasing up your spine. As always, thank you subscribers for being here. Welcome new subscribers. Everyone, hit that bell. Fresh videos like this drop every Wednesday, and every other Monday I bring you a quick tip. Great, happy June. I'll see you soon.